Hi ladies, my name is Renee and I am from St. Louis, Missouri, and I wanted to give you guys my review on my favorite LadyBoss Labs product, and that would be the Lean. I love it for so many different reasons. I don't even know where to start. I love that it's sweet. I love the flavor. I love that it's low in sugar. I love that it's all natural. Some of the things that it has helped me with is my sweet tooth cravings. I love sweets. I crave sweets all the time. And so anytime that I'm craving something sweet, I can throw some of this in the blender with almond milk or make protein pancakes. One of the things that I had noticed is that it really keeps me full, and I also love how it blends. It blends in so well. A lot of the other protein powders that I had ever used in the past always clumped up, whether it be in the blender, making a protein shake, or in my oatmeal. I was always left with clumps, and I've been so amazed, you guys, by this stuff because it never clumps up. It doesn't get stuck to the blades of the blender, and it just blends so well in my oatmeal. I have never ever seen any clumps. It is so amazing. When I make protein shakes, it tastes like a milkshake. It's so amazing, you guys. It's so amazing. And it's just so frothy and airy, and it's just so good. Like, you guys have to try this stuff. It's so amazing. So do yourself a favor, go order some, order the rest of the other products because they're just as amazing too. But I wanted to tell you guys about my favorite today. So do yourself a favor and get some, and you can thank me later. Better yet, you can even thank Kaylin because she's amazing and she created the best products for us. So I hope to hear about how you love them just as much as I love them. See you soon.